Then check this out.
Ready now?
Hey, people, Kiara here from iDigi Affiliate, and today we're going to continue promoting the $25 online business using Mind Lead Gen Secrets, day 33, I think. It'll be a little bit over a month since we've been doing this, which is really cool. Alright, so let's get to it here. Oh, first, I want to mention why I like promoting the $25 business. First off, it's a product that you need. It's a product that you could use. It's a funnel builder essentially, but you know it comes with a ton of other stuff. But mainly, it's a really solid funnel builder. And the funnel builder is something that every online seller needs. Any kind of affiliate marketer, even a e-commerce store is pretty much a funnel. You need one. Okay, you're gonna need one at some point. And I think the most popular funnel builder right now is ClickFunnels, which is $91 per month, and you don't even get all the features. So you have to pay $200 per month to get all the features. And back in the day when I had ClickFunnels, I remember that after a certain amount of people checked my funnel, they closed it out so that nobody could see it anymore until I upgraded to the $200 thing. I was like, I think this is ridiculous, especially considering, you know, this product here, which it don't have any limitations. Once you pay the $25 per month, you do whatever you want in the funnel, and it's it's even easier to work with. There's no reason to use ClickFunnels if you could use this. All right, guys. I just want to say that. And second of all, I love its affiliate system. It's so good. That's another problem I had with ClickFunnels. The affiliate system, you had to get sales in order to make money. I mean, like, you couldn't promote ClickFunnels until you got affiliate sales with all the other products a couple times first. I thought that was ridiculous. And even when you did finally get ClickFunnels, it was still like 25-30% recurring. This right here is 80% recurring every single month. 80%. Way better. Basically, they pay $25, you get 20. Pay $125, you get 100. They pay $500, you get 400. They pay $1,000, you get 800. Basically like that. And all you need is two people, right, that start making a crazy amount of profit. So yeah, man. So far this month, I've only been promoting using Mind Lead Gen Secrets. So let me show you what we done this month so far. The sales I've gotten so far this month. Now some of these might be YouTube sales too. I just thought about that. But $400 for just doing this, guys. This only takes 3 or 5 minutes. You know what I mean? That's crazy. But anyway, let's refresh and let's see if we got a sale yesterday. Okay, this is a rebuild. This is a rebuild here. So we didn't get a sale yesterday, which is completely fine, guys. Absolutely fine. So don't let it bother you when you don't get sales, guys, because that's the first killer. I promise you, that's the thing that's gonna make you stop. It's happened to me so many times. When I first started learning how to affiliate market back in, was it 2021 or 2020? It wasn't too long ago when I first started. I haven't become a pro yet. I'm just making enough money I don't have to worry about it. But yeah, it's only been about 2 years since I started, which is crazy, right? Maybe not even 2. I don't think it's 2021. It's almost 2. almost 2 years, and I gotten to the point where I make enough money to pay for everything, right? Sorry about that. My bike is hurting and everything. So I painted my roof yesterday, and I didn't feel like asking somebody, a professional to do it. I figured I'd just do it myself, save some money, but probably should have went on and just ask somebody to do it. But anyway, let's keep it moving. We're gonna go to My Lead Gen Secrets here. All right, guys. So we're gonna go with biggest money day yet. Go with that one. Gonna go with this one. Right, guys? All right, make sure you can copy this if you want to. Just pause it and copy it. It's no big deal. And I'll show you the email here. All right, so there you go. Just pause it. All right, so that's the next part. Pause it, copy it. Okay. Part. Pause it, copy it. You know what I mean? And you just put your signature, and you're done. So right here, this is my link. My link's already in here, but the link you want to use is all-in-one $25 bid. That's the one I'm promoting. Now, someone asked me, what is the $100 sale? Now, let me show you guys what that is real quick. The $100 sale rebuild I'm getting. I want to show you guys that what product's doing that. All right, so when you promote this product here, now there's two ways you can do this, but this is the way I do it. Basically, let's get down to here. Sorry about that. Let's pause that. Didn't mean to start that. All right, guys, so see this product here, it's $120 per month. You can get it for free right now. You get it for free, and in 2 weeks it started charging you $125. That's when I get the $100. That's what that is. I just wanted to make sure I show you guys that. Also, the product, also the other link you can use here is HBMA Premium right here. That's the $100. You can use this link as well if you want to. Let me show you. You can use this page here as well, but personally I like the $25 all-in-one business more, but you can use this page here, and you could do the same thing and have it for, I think, I don't know what it is. I think it's like $1 trial or something like that, and then you can figure out if you like it or not. But personally, I just promote this. I just promote the $25 business. That's the link I use. Anyway, you put the link in there. Make sure you hit perfect timing. Send an email. Perfect timing does send an email around the time people check their email, so it ends up on top of their list. There's a better chance of them checking it. You know what I mean? All right, so guys, that's about all there is to it. All of the links to everything, My Lead Gen Secrets, $25 all-in-one business, all that stuff is down in the description below. And personally, if you want to hook up a autoresponder, I heard this as well. If you want to use an autoresponder, I don't use the autoresponder for My Lead Gen Secrets, but if you want to use an autoresponder for My Lead Gen Secrets, you can if you want to. I just figured we're already mailing all your leads anyway every day, so you know what I mean. But you could try it and see how it works out. You don't have to do it the way I'm doing it. You could try pinning your autoresponder link right here and see what happens. Because I haven't tried it before. I just assumed since I already can mail them every day, what's the point? That's all there is to it, guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.